welcome back to Membership Mondays. Today I have the privilege of speaking with one of our chamber members. This is Alexis Leath. Hi Alexis, how are you today?
I'm doing outstanding. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, thank you for asking.
Absolutely.
We're so excited to do this interview with Monarch Roofing, one of our chamber members.
Monarch Roofing does all things roofing, which is great, right? We fix roofs. We have a full repair department along with our residential team. We do new construction, and we have a commercial division. So
awesome.
All things roofing, we
Yes.
stick to the one thing, so you can't beat that.
You have a lot going on, it sounds like.
Yeah, we do.
Now, do you have a really big facility and group of people that help make this possible?
Luckily, yes, we do. And we are so grateful for it.
Yes.
It is such a blessing. It wasn't always like this. We started in 2007.
Right.
So it's been a long time coming. We
Yes.
just had our 17th anniversary.
Wow.
Yes, so you can't beat that. But it has been a long time coming. And we've been
Right.
in this building about 5 years.
Okay.
So we do have a building right off of 501. You might have seen it, maybe the huge Monarch tent as well.
Yes.
Very large and in charge, but we have a whole team within this building. If you don't know, we have over 50 employees just in this building.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, with that being said, what's the atmosphere like here day to day working in this building?
It is, honestly, there's nothing like it. And I almost can't describe it because
Right.
it's contagious.
Yes.
It really is. So I would say a perfect way to describe it is crown.
Right.
So with that, of course, Monarch, our logo has the crown on it, right?
Yes.
So C is for consistency. Everyone is so consistent. And if we fall a little behind, we're always picking each other back
Right.
up. So you can't beat that.
Exactly.
We've got the R for real. Everybody
Yes.
is so real. They're just
Oh.
themselves. We have an amazing team, and I will always stand by that. So O is for own it, and we do own it. We own
Yeah.
it. Whatever happens, we're owning it, and we're just trying to push through and get better, 1% better every day.
Right.
Also, of course, there's W for winners win. I mean, Monarch's a phenomenal company,
Right.
and we're getting it.
Yeah.
We're doing well, right? We're winning.
Exactly.
We're dominating in the roofing industry.
Right.
And then last but not least, no excuses for the N. And we definitely don't make excuses, and we stand by that. So
That's
yeah.
an awesome saying to go by. I really love that. Now,
Yeah.
did the owner come up with this or?
You know it.
Oh, that's awesome.
He did. And when you just take on all of that, right?
Yeah.
Consistency, real, own it, winners win, no excuses. When
Right.
you just keep that mindset, I mean, you can
You're
go
going
places.
places. Exactly. I was thinking the same thing.
I love that.
So, Alexis, do you mind telling us a little bit about some events that you have going on?
Absolutely. So I would say, so obviously we've got this dragon boat coming up, so very
Right.
excited about that.
Yes.
Hopefully we win. We'll see though. We've got a great team going
Yeah.
on. So it's far from now, right?
Mhm.
But we have our golf tournament that we're doing.
Oh, that's a lot of fun.
Yes, it's so much fun. It is a lot, but we
Yeah.
had our Shelter for Veterans golf tournament last December, which some of you might know of, some of you might have attended.
Right.
And we raised over $65,000.
Wow.
It's
awesome.
incredible. It's
Yes.
incredible. So we're gonna have that hopefully either at the end of November or
Mhm.
December.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do with that, which we're already doing right now with our Shelter for Veterans, is we're actually offering a roof per month to a veteran in need.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So that is my favorite part about working with Monarch.
Yes.
That's what my role
Right.
consists of in a sense,
Right.
and so much more. But
Well, being a company that is so large and does so much and gets so much work and is blessed with the work that they have, you guys definitely give to your community a lot, and I know that that's important to other businesses that do that as well, and you're an inspiration. So thank you so much for doing that.
you're so sweet.
Oh.
Absolutely. No, but that's the whole point about it, I think, right? Is that as you grow, you need to just be aware and be able to give back to the community
Yes.
even more. You have to do that.
And help
even more.
others.
Yeah.
Right.
That's the whole point of it.
Exactly. And that's kind of the point of the chamber as well, is that we call each other a family. All of these businesses that work together.
Yeah.
We put on our networking events, obviously, to get more members for sure, because we need them always.
Yes.
To be able to keep functioning, we need more members. But the current members that we do have and that we do get, you guys are all so wonderful. So thank you so much for being a part of us as well.
Absolutely. We love to be a part of the Conway Chamber.
Yes.
Y'all are amazing.
Thank you. You guys are as well.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Yay.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope to see you again next Monday. So tune back in, and on behalf of the Conway Chamber and Monarch Roofing, have a great week. Bye.
Bye.